Okay, we're back at the control center. We're ready to make dovetail drawer boxes. I'm going to start a new job, and in this case I'm going to call it 1555. Now let's put in our orders. We will go down, choose our drawer box, and we will then put the quantities in. Let's go with quantity 2. Let's keep the width at 20 and the height at 6. Let's change the depth to 21. Let's go down and let's choose another drawer box, and let's change the quantity on this one to 6. Let's change the width to 15.5. Let's keep the height the same, and let's change the depth to 21. It's that easy to put in your drawer box order. At that point, we're going to optimize and we're ready to go. Cabinets to closets, to MDF doors and dovetail drawer boxes, the Viper and the Sidewinder from CNC Factory, they're ready to go. I want to thank you again for watching. My name is Chris Corrales with the CNC Factory. We're ready to make your CNC machine.